Welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. My name is Chris, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a flat and decline press on the Smith machine. You'll notice behind me I've got a commercial Smith machine. I picked this up about 2 months ago. I've always wanted one because at the gym, that's what I predominantly used. It's a good idea to interchange with free weights as well. You don't want to be doing just Smith, because you do need to start using and developing those stabilizer muscles. It's a little bit hard to do on a Smith. I use a Smith machine because, as I stated in my previous video, what a Smith machine is a carriage with bearings that ride up and down on this 1-inch thick steel rod. And it has several locking points, okay, at different levels, depending on where you need that bar to stop. So if you're lifting really heavy and you can't make it back up again, you just turn the bar and lock it into place and it stays. So it's a really nice piece of equipment when it comes to safety. Flat bench, I've got it for decline right now. I'm going to raise this to flat. And as I was kind of mentioning before on the shoulder video, the chest is divided into 3 parts. You have the upper chest, your middle chest, and your lower chest. When I'm doing chest for incline press, I want that bar to come and hit me on the top part of the chest. And I want to focus on that part of the muscle when I am doing that group. I want to think about that part. Same thing with when I'm doing flat, I want center. When I'm doing decline, I want that bar to hit me in the lower chest. Okay? So here's flat. Breathing is important as well. And I tend to use a wide grip because of a shoulder injury, and using a wide grip tends to take out the shoulders a little bit. As you go down with the Smith machine, you got your feet flat on the floor, you got a good grip, you got your wrists straight. As you go down, you take in air. As you go out, you blow it out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice and slow form, you want to feel it. Like I said, this bar weighs about 35 pounds. I don't have any weight on it right now. I'm just showing you and demonstrating. Walk out. Okay? So that is a flat bench. I'll show you decline. A lot of people don't utilize the decline bench. They tend to think that benching is all about flat benching, and they forget often the incline and the decline. In order to have a good flat bench, you need to work both your upper and lower chest. So I'm going to lower this right now to decline. Now, keeping in mind what I said as well, that when I lower this to decline, I am going to make sure that I have it so the bar hits me in the lower chest, right there. Okay? If I don't, I'm just going to scoot back or forth until I get the correct position. That seems to be right. My feet are flat on the floor. Wide grip. There it is, lower chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Lock out. Most Smith machines you can purchase for between $500 and $1,000 used. They're quite big and bulky for home use. I do recommend a linear bearing Smith machine simply because some machines use plastic sleeves on a metal bar, and if your bar isn't just perfectly straight, it will stop and seize on you. So look for a good Smith machine if you're going to use one. You'll have it for the rest of your life. They are built for commercial quality purposes, and they can take some pretty serious abuse. And definitely something that brings a little bit more fun into lifting. You don't have to worry about, if I get down this low and then I got really heavy weight on and I can't push it back up again, what do? Well, it's no issue with the Smith machine. During the next video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about shoulders, and I'm also going to touch on using the Smith to do legs, calves, and things like that. Also going to be looking at a lat machine. We got a chest press and some other pieces of equipment in the future. So thanks for watching my YouTube video, and if you have any comments, please leave them. Thanks.